911. Someone just punched me in the face and stole my dirt bike.
We got a 1051 call on the radio. Someone just stole a dirt bike. We're just sitting here waiting him out.
Oh, I see him. He's heading our way.
My name is Ashton Barnhart. We are on the scene with a high-speed chase. We have a gangster dirt bike rider coming up right behind us. You know what? I think I hear insane. We have the high-speed chase coming on right now. We got the cops showing up. Absolutely insane. We're here with Deputy Alex. We are in the high-speed chase. He's running, he is not stopping. We've been going for multiple miles now. Oh, we're speeding up now. He just will not stop. Madre. He crashed.
He's over the berm. He's over the berm.
Go get him. We're live on the scene. Your bike is right here. Deputy Alex is now handcuffing the thief. The gangster.
It wasn't me. No, ow! 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 Randall! Sorry, chase me. We'll cut it. Woo!
Bad boy.
Okay. You're pushing on the handcuff.
Okay.
As you can see, we have got him.
Thank you, officers. I got my bike back.
No problem, son. No problem.
You glad you ran?
Bye.
The gangster thief has been caught. Oh, he's running! Deputy Alex, do your job! Do your job! Do your job!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Do your job, Alex!
Go get the keys.
We got him.
Oh, you stepped on a dead cat.
We have got him.